This is the exact reason why it is a good idea to have us install our termite monitors around your property, so that termites feast on the termite monitors and not your home. With the owner's permission, we're going to inject a liquid termiticide around this area, as well as around the entire exterior of the home. This application binds to the treated areas and creates a protective zone that is undetectable to the termites. The termites will continue to go about their business and come in contact with the termiticide. They will then bring it back to their nest and transfer the treatment throughout their colony. In a short amount of time, the termites will be exterminated and the home will be protected from these wood-destroying pests for quite some time.